Ekip Connect is ABB's next-generation commissioning and programming software, designed to help users fully unlock the potential of low-voltage devices. This innovative software facilitates the management of key system functionalities, including power supply management, collection and analysis of electrical values, testing of protection systems, maintenance, and diagnostic functions. The benefits for customers are substantial across various applications and business use cases. In a typical application scenario, configuring one or more devices located in the system switchboard with Ekip Connect is very straightforward. It is an intuitive software that streamlines commissioning and operations, allowing quick and simple processes. This facilitates uninterrupted workflows, enhancing productivity. In different situations and complex use cases, Ekip Connect operates on devices both locally and remotely, ensuring reliability and safety in all conditions. For complex configuration projects, Ekip Connect ensures connectivity between multiple devices through customizable logic options. It allows the user to design projects according to specific needs, using various views. Ekip Connect is engineered to exchange data with one or more protection devices, including circuit breakers, fuse gears, automatic transfer switches, and many more. Ekip Connect assists the commissioning process of the system with easy and intuitive navigation. It allows rapid access to diagnostics, immediate setting and testing of releases, complex plant configurations and continuous monitoring on connected devices. Use the custom logic tool to create your own logics with the purpose of saving time on complex programming and removing the need for external controllers. Create PLC-like logics by dragging inputs, operators and outputs to the canvas. You can also set properties to operators, like for example on the delay. After the design phase is finished, you can check the integrity of the logic, alongside the bill of materials, where all the components necessary for the project are inserted. The system update is a straightforward, safe and reliable way to update the firmware on the Emax 3 and all its modules. Enter the firmware update tool and then click on the System Update tab. Inside this view, you can find the Emax 3 mainboard, its HMI, and all the connected modules, alongside the respective firmware versions currently installed and the latest available by ABB. Choose what module you want to update and click on Next. In the current view, you are presented with a detailed outline of all the necessary steps to complete the update. In this case, the system update starts with the Emax 3 mainboard and its HMI, and then the Ekip Supply Evo Modbus TCP module. The monitoring page contains measures, warnings, events and trips, all the real-time data related to the connected device. After connecting via TNP to the XT4 device and opening the monitoring section, you are introduced to the measures page, where all the currents, voltages, frequencies, power factors and energies are visible. These are real-time data related to the connected device. You can navigate to the warnings page to observe the current trips, alarms, warnings, and the most frequent trip events, which can be filtered by time. You can also see all the events, including not only the ones related with warnings and alarms, but also the configuration. The last page is dedicated to the trips and their respective type, the time of occurrence, all the various currents, the contact wear of the device, and some notes from the trip event. The test area function allows the observation of the device's behavior in conditions that are difficult to reproduce in reality. After connecting via TNP to a Tmax XT7 device, enter the Tools section, access the Test Area tool, and click on the Test Execution tile. There are 3 different sections present in the view: the single test, test sequence, and trip test. In the single test page, you can open an already generated test file, save the current one, or create more test sessions. In the signals section, you can modify the phasor diagram and phase shift and amplitude, alongside with the enabling or disabling of voltages and currents to use. The graph on the right shows changes in real time. In the harmonics page, you can view and modify the harmonics in amplitude. A test sequence can be created by choosing to use the default one or a new one. When starting a trip test, the system warns you to perform it only when the circuit breaker is closed, and encourages paying attention to the fact that the trip test will open the circuit breaker. It's always possible to leave a feedback or report an issue. These features can be found under the Support button. To submit a feedback about the Ekip Connect 3 software, you can choose one of the 5 topics presented and write a message. If there is an issue with the software, you are welcome to report the problem encountered by clicking on the Report Issue section. Afterwards, you can set the report type, write the subject and the message. If needed, up to 5 PDF files or images can be attached. If the Attach Device Report option is selected, Ekip Connect will generate a settings report from the connected device and send it via email to the operations team, alongside all the other data included in the issue form.